Hello student, good morning. Standard 4 subject English Unit 5. Unit 5 है Alexander the Wise Horse Rides. ठीक है, सबसे पहले हम करेंगे करेक्ट आंसर. How old was Alexander when he went to the horse market? तो 10 years, 12 years, 16 years. तो 12 years. The young prince chose a stallion for himself. तो black, white and brown 3 है, तो इसमें से क्या है उसने चूज़ किया था black. Number 3. What did the Alexander the Great do in honor of the beloved stallion? तो built a city, made a statue, built a mansion. तो built a city. Who said to whom? Many of these horses are fine animals. Alexander said to his father. The black stallion's owner said to the king, no other horse here can compare with this one. तो इसके साथ कोई भी एनिमल की कंपैरिजन नहीं हो सकती. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Alexander said this statement to the black stallion's owner. ठीक है, एलेक्जेंडर ने बोला, हाउ डिड यू tame that wild spirit so easily? The palace horseman asked this from Alexander. अभी हम करेंगे क्वेश्चन आंसर. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन. What did the black stallion's owner say about the black stallion? The black stallion's owner said to the king about the finest horse in the market. Black stallion was currently the finest horse in the market, but he was also hard to be ridden. He was as wild as north wind. What was the horse afraid of the most? The horse afraid of his own moving shadow the most. How did Alexander tame the wild horse? Alexander turned the face of the black stallion toward the sun, so that his shadow could not be seen him. As a result, the horse forgot his fear, and Alexander tamed the wild horse. फिर एक क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. What did the king say to Alexander after he had tamed the horse? Alexander's father was very proud of Alexander's wisdom and courage. He said, one day you will become great king, but you must conquer and rule over a larger kingdom. The one I shall leave for you will be too small for your power. Here 5. On the basis of the text, write some of the qualities that young Alexander possessed. तो इसका आंसर आएगा, Alexander was good observer as he decided upon the best horse in the horse market. He was wise and brave boy. Alexander was brave boy also, and no one in the horse market dared to ride the wild horse, but Alexander ride that horse without any fear. अब हम करेंगे कि look at the words, use the different ways of looking at things, match the word with the meaning. हमें ये मैचिंग करने का है किसके साथ? वर्ड के मीनिंग से साथ. तो सबसे पहले ग्रेस, इसका मीनिंग होता है लुक for a long time at the someone or something. ग्लेंस, लुक समवेयर फॉर ए शॉर्ट टाइम। फिर है पीप, लुक एट समथिंग फॉर ए व्हाइल, ओपन व्हेन यू डू नॉट वांट अदर पीपल टू सी यू। फिर है ऑब्जर्व, वॉच समवन और समथिंग केयरफुली एंड सीरियसली विथ ए पर्पस। स्टेयर, look at the someone or something for the some time, not move your eyes away। ठीक है, किसी के सामने सब हम देखते ही रहते हैं, अपनी आइज़ वहाँ से भी इसके ऊपर ही होती है, उसको बोलते हैं स्टेयर। ठीक है, अब हम आगे करेंगे नेक्स्ट टाइम। थैंक यू।